Pleasant day to you, Ma'am Sir. I am Mariel B. Cagayungan. I was born on March 14, 1998. As of now, I am 26 years old, married and undergraduate in college. I was a former overseas Filipino worker in Qatar as a domestic helper in 2 years. My employer before have four family members, two adults and two kids, aged 1 year old and 2 years old. I am also responsible housework like cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and car wash. Ma'am, sir, I can tell that my experience is very helpful for me to apply a new environment and employer. I want to work in Hong Kong because it is not only provide a work of opportunity, but it also provide exceptional lifestyle and exceptional career profession. To my future employer, Ma'am, sir, I will assure you that I will do my very best to perform my duties and responsibility. Thank you and God bless.